Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply 88 to have for you a 1995 Bobcat 853 rubber tired skid steer loader. Machine has just 3,172 hours, I believe it is. Machine is all original, come out of a small landscape nursery where it run tree spade and a hydraulic set of tree forks. Does have the rear stabilizer kit here on the back. We didn't pull that off, but it is on there and does have the rear hydraulics to run it. This is an older machine, but is a good running working machine. It's not all tore up, not welded or busted up. It is original paint. We're going to start right back here in the engine compartment and take you completely around this machine. Here in the back door unit will be powered by the Isuzu 4-cylinder diesel engine. Starts and runs good. There is absolutely no abnormal blow-by, oil leaks, smoke, anything like that. You can see over here on the door, new starter, 3 of 17 of 10 at 2,876 hours. Little checklist of stuff there that they had done. We had it in the shop. We've serviced it. Both internator air filter, fuel filter, engine oil, hydraulic filter under the cab has been done. That's typical of us here. We spend our money on service, not on paint and that kind of thing. But back door shuts good and it's straight and clean. Coming on around this side, rubber is all about 40 to 50%. Let's stay at 40%, but it's still usable tire. We'll need tire coming up one day, but none of the cylinders are wet. Every grease fitting took grease. Will come with a brand new 66-inch heavy-duty skid loader bucket, which is standard 2-pin skid steer quick attach. Bob attach is still really good and tight on it. There's no abnormal welding or stress cracks up on the tilt tower or the center section of the boom. It does have the newer style flat face couplers. Seat has some cracks in it. If you need a new seat put in it, let us know. They're about $125 from Bobcat now. On this side, you'll see everything the same. Cylinders are dry, cab is straight. It's just a clean old machine, and the 853s were a strong running old machine. I'm going to go ahead and fire it up, and we're going to show you everything works just the way it's supposed to. can see there, this machine does start running work just the way we say it does. For an older machine, it's very tight, it's very responsive, works very well. I can't find any negative problems with this machine. There's no oil leaks we found. We have serviced it. All filters and fluids are changed. It's going to need a set of tires coming up someday. If you want to come by, run this machine yourself in person, I have nothing to hide. Come do it. If you're looking for a brand new machine, they sell them up the road at Bobcat every day of the week. But these old 853s, very basic. If they don't start, it's something simple. They're just a very good old machine. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. If you need a freight quote, let us know. We'll be glad to get you one. We can be reached again at 814-658-3066. Thanks for checking out Mark Supply 88. As always, happy event.